Hello, good morning students. Today we discuss about the Morgan's finding and concept of linkage. Okay, so in 1910, T.H. Morgan, who gives the theory of gene of inheritance, also found similar observation in fruit fly. Okay, so T.H. Morgan also found similar observation in fruit flies. On the basis of his finding, Morgan stated that coupling and repulsing coupling and repulsion are the two sides of coin. Means coupling and repulsion are the two sides of coin. They are the two aspects of the same phenomena. They are the two aspects of the same phenomena which he called linkage. Okay. So Morgan along with Castell formulated the chromosomal theory of linkage. Morgan along with Castell formulated the chromosomal theory of linkage. Okay. So in this theory he tells that the group of gene is present on the same chromosome. Okay, the same, which have tendency to remain together during the course of inheritance. Okay, means they have a tendency to remain together during the course of inheritance. This tendency of the gene to remains together, remains together is called the linkage. Okay, clear here? Now we discuss the chromosomal theory of inheritance. Okay, so chromosomal theory of inheritance, genes are present in linear fashion. On the chromosome, hence linkage is a linear. Okay, so the linkage of gene can be broken down by phenomena is like the crossing over. That means the linkage can be break down with the help of the crossing over. Okay, the gene which present close to each other have more strong linkage. Means those genes which are present very close to each other which have very strong linkage. Okay, thus linkage is inversely proportional to the distance between the gene. And the distance between the two gene is depend upon the percentage of crossing over between them. Okay, and distance between the two gene is depend upon the percentage of crossing over between them. Therefore linkage is inversely proportional to the crossing over. Okay, now we discuss the linkage and independent assortment, linked and unlinked gene. Okay, so those genes which are present on the same chromosome, are all linkage gene and they together form a linkage group. Okay, understand here? Those genes which is present on the same chromosome are linked gene and they are form a linkage group. Okay, linkage group. Two genes which located on the different chromosome are the unlike gene, and two genes which located on a same chromosome is called the linked gene. Okay, so linked gene do not follow the principle of independent assortment. Okay, linked gene do not follow the principle of independent assortment. Linkage and independent assortment cannot be represented in dihybrid plant. Linkage and independent assortment cannot be represented in dihybrid cross in case of linkage in dihybrid cross. In case of linkage in dihybrid cross, then in case of linkage in dihybrid cross where two types of alleles are present, in this case, in this two heterozygous sets of genes are present, so in this case two types of gametes are present, gametes are produced. These gametes may be AB and small ab, capital AB and small ab. Okay, here now when the in case of independent assortment, okay, in case of independent assortment dihybrid, okay, here is also two types of independent. In case of independent assortment we talk about, so here is a two genes, two alleles present on the different chromosome. When two genes are present, two alleles are present on the different chromosome, so it produce four types of gamete. These gamete may be capital AB, small ab and capital, then here capital A or small b. Okay, hello, now we discuss the types of linkage. Okay, so linkages are the two type. When linked genes means the group of gene. Okay, linked gene means the group of gene. When linked genes are inherited together from two or more than two generation, when linked genes are inherited more than two generation. Linked genes means group of gene when inherited from one generation to another generation or more than two generation. So that type of linkage is called the complete linkage. Okay, when linkage gene or group of gene is inherited from one generation to the another generation. Okay, so that type of linkage is called the complete linkage. Okay, this type of complete linkage occur in rare cases, but it is found in a certain insect species including the male Drosophila. Okay, complete linkage, same as it is a complete linkage. When linkage gene means group of genes are not inherited for two or more generation. Okay, when linkage genes are not inherited from two or more generation, so that type of linkage is called the incomplete linkage. Okay, so it is why this is common linkage, because it occurred due to the crossing over, because we know that in a crossing over exchange of genetic materials occur. So due to the exchange of genetic material, many genes are also transferred from one place to another place. So due to the transfer of the genetic material from one chromosome to the another chromosome, so complete linkage is occur. Okay, so incomplete linkage is a very common. Incomplete linkage is a very common between the gene which are distantly placed. Okay, so this type of linkage is very common. This type of linkage is occur in very common between the gene which are distantly placed. Okay,